In this problem, we have given a stunt driver want to make his car jump over 8 car parked side by side below a horizontal ramp. Suppose this is a horizontal ramp, and this height above the car is given to us, which is 1.2 meter, and this is suppose car and initial speed suppose u. So this car will go like this, and this distance from the base is given to us. It is 18 meter. So we have to find the minimum speed of this car. So we know that for this car, vertical displacement is equal to 1.2 meter. So we will use Sy is equal to u by t plus half a by t square. So since we know that this is horizontal ramp, so there is no vertical component of initial speed. So this term will be equal to 0. So from here we can say time will be equal to under root 2 Sy